Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share 6 3D models of the Ash Pokemons, the first generation Pokemon's 3D models for your iClone 7s, iClone 8 and also Character Creator 4. First, you can just scroll down, go to my video descriptions, get into the first link, get Ash Pokemon, the Pikachu, Bulbasaur, Butterfree, Charmander, Pidgeotto in iProp format. Alright, once you already download it, it is a zip file, you have to extract it. Extract everything, then you will get 6 iProp. For all of this prop, it already fully rigged, and I'm going to show you a demo. All of these 3D models already ready to repose it. Something like this. Let's say if I drag in, all of these are rigged 3D model. Right now, you can just double click any of it. For example, the Pikachu. Once you double click already, you click here and then edit the animation layer. You can see already fully rigged. You can repose it like this. You can see everything already ready to animate, included the tails. Right, so all of this, the other Pokemons are also the same. You can just close it, double click to select it, edit the animation layer, and you can just go and animate it. Create keyframes if you want. It is really easy and simple. You can see even the whole wing, you can animate it. Right, it is totally 6 of them. Of course, you also can send it to Character Creator 4 to make them become the creature avatar and make it become an eye avatar if you want. And for me, it's fine. For all of these are just the Pokemon's collections in iProp formats. And that's all for today about my sharing of the Ash first generation's Pokemons for your iClone 7, iClone 8 and Character Creator 4. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial and sharing, if you feel all this tutorial and sharing are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D animation and game developing. See you!